Hey guys, so there are a few ways how you can reset the Philips air purifier. I know what kind of model you have, but the first thing that you can try to do is that locate if there is any like a button for reset. So on a device, like for example, pressing the power button for about 15 to 20 seconds, right? This is the first thing that you can try to do. Also, another thing that you can try to do is completely unplug it for about, like, let's say 2-3 minutes. So unplug it, the Philips air purifier, 2-3 minutes, and then put it back in. So that's another thing that you can try to do, and it may help. So try it out, completely unplug it. And even when I'm just going to look here for you something. So preset, you can see right here. Replace the filter and long press the percentage to reset the filter lifetime counter. So this is something that you want to do. And I hope it helped you.